In this video, I'll show you how to set up automated rules in Meta Ads Manager. First, sign in to your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Select the campaigns, ad sets, or ads that you want to automate. Next, click Rules and choose Create a New Rule. Select what the rule should apply to, such as the selected campaigns, ad sets, or ads. After that, choose the action you want Meta to perform automatically. For example, you can turn campaigns on or off, adjust budgets, or send notifications when specific conditions are met. Now, set the conditions that will trigger the rule, such as cost per result, amount spent, impressions, or return on ad spend. Then choose how often Meta should evaluate the rule and add notification preferences if you'd like to receive alerts. Finally, review all of your rule settings and click Create. Meta Ads Manager will automatically monitor your campaigns and perform the selected actions whenever your conditions are met. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up automated rules in Meta Ads Manager. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.